You can sense death.
I really don't want to do this anymore,
Open hand.
Caleb, I don't want to do this anymore.
Open hand.
I want to do this anymore.
Alright, hello. Back at it. Same video. I believe I'm doing it this way. So it's like 2 weeks later. A week and a half. Not too sure. Lost track of time. But, I ordered the wrong tie rods. New tie. Sent those back. Got my correct tie rods. Pretty sure. The only thing that could be wrong is the thread pitch, but fuck it. Whatever. We're gonna hope it's right. So I got some Moog ones. I guess just recommended. But, these should be right. And I put them up with these, the one that was on the car. It's pretty much, it's like the same. So, cool shit. Honestly, maybe a little longer. But we're gonna put these on. I got my strut again coming from Japan, so it's gonna take another 2 weeks, but hopefully they're shipped out. So I'm gonna do this shit, and you guys are gonna watch, because that's what you're here for. Okay, so this is gonna be another one of my updates for progress. I had to get the tie rod off, as you can see right here. This is the old one that was off, or that was on the car, came off. Absolutely crusty boy. I had to torch it off, so that's fun. But I got this new one on, but unfortunately the size, or like thread pitch, that's like diameter of the threads is too big. It's about, I'd say 12.7 millimeters, and this is just 12. So I grabbed I'm gonna be boring it out to 13 millimeters. Hopefully that's enough. Or like, I know it's gonna be enough, but like, I'm just gonna take it slowly. I don't wanna fuck up anything. I'm literally like, this is the last little bit. Aside from the struts I gotta put on, and then this thing's gonna be good to go. So like, not freaking out, but kind of freaking out, because I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna have to do this because I don't want to have to order or like find and source the parts all over again. I just want to do a quick little update and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing, and that's that. Well, after about 6 hours, 7 hours of this, I finally got the first one done. Multiple trips to the hardware, or not, well, to like Rona and Home Depot to get parts. Well, drill bits. But yeah, it's in. Hold on. As you can see, it is in. I don't know how much grease I'm supposed to put in there. I think when I take it to the shop to get inspected, and it needs an alignment, so they're gonna be doing an alignment as well. I might just tell them to put some more grease in there. But that's all done, and I put this brake clip in properly. It was just kind of hanging loose, and I gotta do the same on the other side. But other than that, we are pretty much on the final stretches to being done. The last things are gonna be to put the struts in. The struts you get on Tuesday. That should hopefully be no brainer. They look a lot easier than Volkswagen brakes, so hopefully I won't take me 2 years. Yeah, I guess I'll cut to whenever I finish the other side, do some Jimmy Oaks magic. But yeah, see you guys in the next clip. I fucked up. Who knew? I was drilling into, hold on, let me get a flashlight. I was drilling in to this like I was on the other side. Oh, there we go. That. And I made a mistake of not checking if everything was being guided correctly, or if I was guiding it correctly. And a result of that was, I don't know if you can see it too well, but basically I started drilling into it, or sideways into it, or like crooked. Could have caught myself a little sooner, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna keep going. But other side's fine, this side is not. I got tools, hopefully, to fix it, or at least like do a better job. But yeah, I fucked up. But yeah, we're just gonna keep going with it, go with the flow. You know what it is. So it's been about a week since I last picked up the camera, but I got my struts in and they're done. I did not have the tools properly to do it, so I had to take it to the shop I go to get them put on, but everything is done. And it's, oh wait, there's the other side. Some fuck, you can't see it, but anyway, the KYB, they're Japanese, obviously. Fuck's sakes. But yeah, new bushings are on. I'm gonna be putting these in right now, and then I'm gonna be doing like a rough alignment on it. Yeah, I fucked up again. Well, I had an accident. I took the struts out, and then I took like the top hat bolt off, like the one that like keeps everything compressed. And I didn't put my spring compressors in place. I totally forgot about it. I was just like going to work, vibing out, being stupid, and then it blew up in my face. Luckily I dodged it the last second, so I like missed, but if you can, hold on. I got super lucky and it healed really well, but I got this, and then I cut myself. You can't really see because it was a week ago, but I nearly took my fucking eye out doing this shit. So I said, fuck this, I am just gonna go give it to a shop and they can deal with it themselves, because I don't have the proper tools to do it. Now we're here and they're gonna be going in. first side. But I got my ABS sensor and my brake line hooked up. It's loosely in place. I gotta just torque it down, and then we'll be all good. And repeating that on the other side. Well, just like that, both sides are in. Both sides are fully torqued down to spec, and all that's left